Hi everyone, CFL Park Hopper here, and I'm standing here on Main Street at the Magic Kingdom because tonight the fireworks are back. It is opening night of the fireworks. They're here at Magic Kingdom. They're at Epcot as well, and I'm going to give you some tips about like where to stand for your firework viewing at each park and when to get to your firework viewing time, like when you should stand and all that kind of good stuff. So let's get started. All right, so not only did fireworks open up again today here on July 1st, but an institution here on Main Street has opened back up. Casey's Hot Dogs is back open. It officially opened yesterday, June 30th. But we're gonna eat here and check it out. This is one of my favorite places to eat at the Magic Kingdom. So let's go on in. Now, before we go into Casey's, I wanna mention the Plaza Ice Cream Parlor, which is exactly across the street from Casey's. We were right here looking at Casey's. And on the other side of Main Street is the Plaza Ice Cream Parlor. This is opening on July the 7th. So within a few days, this will also be open. So I'm super excited to see these two places back at the front of Main Street open. Here's the castle right behind them. Because these are both great places to get snacks, food, and ice cream while you're waiting for fireworks. So let's head on into Casey's and try out some hot dogs. All right, guys, so I got the classic corn dog nuggets with fries and cheese. So good. They also have chili cheese hot dogs and plain hot dogs. And for vegetarians, they have a slaw dog. All right, guys, as you can see, the corn dogs were delicious. They're one of my favorite things here to get at the Magic Kingdom. Now I'm gonna try the baseball brownie. All right, guys, this is a really thick, dense brownie. So if you're really into thick and dense brownies, this is really good. The buttercream frosting is good. It's sweet, it complements it well. So I may get one again. All right, next up is the fireworks. All right, guys, so we're here on Main Street waiting for the fireworks. It is raining. I think it may be raining during the show, but we're going to do our best. I'm pretty close to the castle. Happily Ever After has tons of castle projections, so you kind of want to be in the hub. This is what I call the hub, this center area. You can see the Walt statue in the middle. All the way back before, this is Casey's over here, right here where these lights are, where we were a little while ago. So you want to be up in this circular area to really see the projections good. However, it is a good show back a little further down Main Street as well. The fireworks are really great further back. However, let you know, I'm here an hour before the show starts. Show starts at 9:15. I just got here at 8:15. There is still plenty of room to get here and find a spot. However, a lot of people have been waiting probably in the last hour in this area as well. So on really busy nights, I would recommend almost 2 hours ahead of time. Moderate nights, which is like tonight, an hour ahead. And then it just depends. If you're really, you don't really care where you stand, you could wait even till closer to 9 and probably find a spot on Main Street somewhere. You can watch them from other places in the park. You just will not see the castle projections. And the castle projections are a huge part of this show. So you're going to want to see those, I think. They really make the show. So here we go. We're going to sit here and wait.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Life is nothing. Life is nothing. Life is nothing. The battles, the story, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day.
Well, everyone, I really enjoyed seeing the fireworks tonight at Magic Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed watching them as well. I love Happily Ever After, and I'm so glad that it is back. Being in the hub again with everyone, it just made me realize it's the little things in life that matter, you know, even more. Just being able to be there and not realizing how much I missed it until I was there that day. And it's like, wow, I really missed this and didn't even realize it. So I'll be back to see it again, and hopefully you can see it as well. If you liked today's video, hit like and subscribe down below to see more. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video, which is usually once a week. And don't forget to hit subscribe also on Facebook and Instagram, CFL Park Hopper, so you can see everything that's been going on. Thanks for watching.